In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. Clearing your cache can help fix loading issues, speed up the site, and solve problems like posts not refreshing, images not loading, or pages acting glitchy. It's a quick and easy fix that can make X run much smoother. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open x.com in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This opens up the main settings options for your account. From the menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings area, look at the left sidebar and find Privacy and Security. Click that to open the privacy-related options for your account. Next, look for the option that says Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. This is the section where you can remove stored files that may be slowing things down or causing display issues. Click on it to continue. Now you'll see different data options you can clear. Make sure you check the box next to Cached Images and Files. This is the most important part if you want to clear the stored content that X has saved in your browser. If you want to remove everything, choose the time range and select All Time. That will clear the cache completely, instead of only removing recent data. Once everything is selected, click the Delete Data button. Depending on your browser and how much data is stored, it may take a moment to finish. After that, refresh X and you should notice the site loading more cleanly. If you are having issues with timelines, media, or pages not updating properly, clearing the cache often fixes those problems right away. And that's how you clear cache on x.com or Twitter in a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide.